also, watch this, turn my letters around. Isn't that cool? Switch those letters.
What
and
do
what do
you
I
have
have
now?
now? Tap.
Tap.
What do I have?
Tap.
So just by switching those, I created a new word. And let's see now. I can take this out and put map.
Where's your M?
Okay. And I can, let's see, switch this around. And what do I have? Pen.
Are you looking for a way to teach your child how to read? Or perhaps you've noticed that your child is having difficulty learning how to read. And perhaps you're a bit too overwhelmed to intervene. We can help. And we can show you how to teach your child to read without having a lot of professional experience, without having a lot of time, or without having a lot of money for expensive tutors. Stay tuned. Just give me a few moments and I will show you how to give your child the best without all of the stress. Are you looking for a way to teach your children how to read? Or is your child having a difficult time learning how to read? Teaching children to read can be difficult. You don't have time for complicated programs or expensive tutors. But we will show you how to teach your child in an easy, effective way. Our easy-to-use, step-by-step program will help your child learn the basics of phonics and reading in just minutes a day. Our system is designed so parents and teachers can work together with their children, no matter what age they are or where they are on the learning spectrum. We provide 95 short self-teaching videos with interactive phonics cards so that you can help your child learn to read in less than 10 minutes per day.